What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is a tutorial video on how to stop snow from falling off your roof onto your driveway. So like we have a roof here, right? You see that? Kind of bad sun, but yeah. And it just falls onto the driveway right there and builds up ice. All right there, which we don't want. It's bad, right, James?
Yeah, it's definitely bad.
So,
you know, that's how my grandmother died.
Oh, okay.
Tragic loss.
But anyways, we have there's like things that you buy, and they're like $150. Do you want to spend $150? No, you don't, James.
Definitely
So,
not.
a cheap, easy way to do this is just just get army men. You see that? Army men. And all we do is just glue them on there with super strong glue. And some of these are taped on, double-sided tape, as you can see. Super sturdy, and so we'll stop the snow from sliding by these army men. I'll stop it from lodging up the gutter. And yeah. Got any last words, James?
Now, make sure to like, because I held the ladder. You could have died. So
Yeah. So if you like this video, if it's helpful, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next video.